Hello friends, hope you guys are having an amazing day so far. For today's video, I am going to be doing a beauty video, and this is actually an unboxing first impression video. So just a disclaimer, FYI. Alright, so this video is for my girls out there. Okay, so I literally just came from Sephora and I purchased a lip balm that I'm very excited to try and to unbox with you guys, and the brand is Rare Beauty. All right, this brand just came out a few days ago and it is from the famous Selena Gomez. She just released this line, this beauty line, makeup line, a few days ago, like I just said. I feel like nowadays everybody's releasing a makeup line. I mean, you have Fenty by Rihanna, you have Haas from Lady Gaga. Ooh, I actually have a lip gloss from her right here, Haas Laboratories, and this is from, like I said, Lady Gaga. Anyways, good product, good lip gloss, but I'm deviating. So she came out this line and I was like, maybe I should try a few products. She has foundations available, she has blushes, like a liquid blush, she has liquid highlighter, she has, I think it's like matte lipsticks or liquid lipsticks, and honestly I wasn't too excited for those items, but she came out with a line of lip balms. I love lip balms. I actually love high-end lip balms. I love the feel of them, I love the packaging, and I live in lip balms. So the two that I've been loving are from NARS. These were $29 each. So anyways, while I was out going grocery shopping, I decided to stop by Sephora and just check out a few of the shades, and I actually found one that I thought could work with my skin tone, that I would really like on me, so I went ahead and I got it. So I will be unboxing and doing a first impression here on camera for you guys. So like I told you guys, I literally just came from the store. I have my receipt right here, and I will tell you the price. So this lip balm cost $16. Here's my receipt. All right, so let's get started. So this is what the packaging looks like. So it has kind of like this off-white pinky color to it, and I love how it is flat on the back. So it's round, like a classic lipstick packaging, but in the back it's round. And it has the name Rare Beauty in like a gold color right in the front. All right. So this is what it looks like. So right off the bat, it is a lip balm, so it should be sheer, okay? But it looks like it it looks like it might have a lot more pigment to it, okay? Like the pigment payoff might be a lot. It actually looks like the lipstick I'm wearing right now. All right, so let me go ahead and swatch it for you guys. All right, so now let's see how it looks on my lips. Let me go ahead and wipe this lipstick off my lips. All right, let's do a zoom in. So you can see the mark of the face mask on my face because we just came back from grocery shopping and we had to wear our mask. All right, here we go. All right, so right off the bat, this has a lot of color payout for it to be a lip balm, okay? Why? Because I'm gonna show you the swatch. This is the lip balm from NARS, which I love, okay? And I'm gonna swatch it right next to it. Look at the difference. This color right here is the Torrid lip balm from NARS, and you see how this is more of a lip balm because it's more sheer. Look at the one on the bottom. This is the one from Rare Beauty. Praise. You see? So we have a lot more color payoff with Rare Beauty. I don't know. I mean, I do like lipsticks, but there's a reason why I love lip balms, because they look a little more natural. And so far, so good. I don't have a mirror. Do I have a mirror here? So it is creamy. I like the color. It looks very natural. I was honestly hoping that it would be a little more sheer. To me, I think it has a little too much color. I don't know. What do you guys think? This is a lip balm. So again, this is a product that I would want to throw inside my purse and just reapply throughout the day, because I'm sure after eating lunch or having a meal, half of it is going to be gone. Just saying. The price point I do like, because these guys over here from NARS, which I love, were $29 each. And this guy was only $16. Okay, I think that Selena Gomez was going for a beauty line where things were affordable, so everything she wanted to be less than $30, okay? So all of her products are less than 30 bucks. So I don't know, guys. I will see. I would have to wear this the entire day. It is 4:30 right now, and I'll leave it on and I'll see how long it'll last. And I can give you guys an update over on my Instagram. So if you want to know the follow-up to this product, just go ahead and follow me there. And I am the kind of person that I will buy something at Sephora, and if it doesn't work for me, if it doesn't work out for me, I will go back with my receipt and get a refund, or try another product to see if that works as well. I did that with one of these guys. I had bought the Laguna one, I think, that was supposed to be like a bronzy sheer, and it was way too dark for me, so I did go back and return it and exchange it for the Torrid. So yeah, so I will wear it and I will see, because after all, it is 16 bucks for a lip balm. But like I said, the color payoff is really good, so I would even consider this a normal lipstick. Alright guys, that is about it. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you guys do check out a few other products and if you enjoy them. Don't forget, our hope in life and death is in Jesus Christ. Love you all, and I will see you in my next video. Stay tuned for a few messages from myself. Bye! Hey friends, thank you so much for taking the time to watch my videos. It really does mean the world to me that you take time out of your busy schedule to check me out. So thank you so much. I have a few messages to share with you guys. They won't take long at all, I promise. So number one, I accept prayer requests. There's a list that we have here at my house that me and my family pray for every single day. So if you have a prayer request and you want us to add you to the list, just go ahead and contact me. You can leave a comment below, or you can email me or contact me through any of my social media platforms, and we will go ahead and add you to that list. Number two, if you are on Instagram or Facebook, you should totally be following me. Why? Because I post a lot more content there than I do here. I share with you guys just my everyday life, pictures of my kids, recipes, what I do on my Insta stories, and all that good stuff. So if you are there, go ahead and follow me. And number three, if you are not already part of this family, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that every time I upload a new video, you get notified. We have so much fun here. I post videos on my life, I do vlogs, I do makeup reviews, I do recipes, and also I do Bible studies. So if you're interested, go ahead and join our family. We would love to have you. Alright guys, so that's about it. That was nice, short, and sweet for you guys. Thank you again for watching. Don't forget, our hope in life and death is in Christ Jesus. Love you all, and I will see you on my next video, Lord willing. Bye!